Hey guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix MySQL unexpected shutdown through XAMPP error. So first off, head off to Task Manager, and in the Task Manager, just search for MySQL LD. After searching for MySQL LD, if this task is currently running, just end the task. If it's not, in the properties, just give it a troubleshoot and it will restart. After this, go to XAMPP control panel and then click on just start. This might solve the problem. If it does not solve the problem, open the command prompt. In the command prompt, type sfc space scannow and just hit enter. It shows that I must be in administrator mode, so I'll just open the command prompt in administrator mode. Here you can see, I'll just simply run as administrator and then I'll just type sfc scanner and I'll just hit enter. So this will scan the system, and after this, restart your laptop and this will definitely solve the problem. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching.